Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the secrets of success and wealth. In this video, I'm going to show you how to develop a millionaire mindset and get rich. You see, most people think that getting rich is all about working hard, saving money, and investing wisely. But that's only part of the equation. The other part, and perhaps the most important one, is having the right mindset. What is a millionaire mindset? It's a way of thinking that enables you to see opportunities where others see obstacles, to take calculated risks where others play it safe, to learn from failures where others give up, and to persist in the face of challenges where others quit. A millionaire mindset is not something you are born with. It's something you can develop through practice and discipline. Here are some steps you can take to cultivate a millionaire mindset and get rich. 1. Set clear and specific goals. The first step to achieving anything is knowing what you want and why you want it. Write down your financial goals and review them daily. Make sure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 2. Adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that you can improve your abilities and skills through effort and learning. A fixed mindset is the belief that you are born with a certain level of talent and intelligence and that you can't change much. People with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, seek feedback, learn from mistakes, and persist in the face of setbacks. People with a fixed mindset are more likely to avoid challenges, ignore feedback, blame others for failures, and give up easily. 3. Surround yourself with positive and successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to be rich, you need to associate with people who are rich or who have the same goals as you. They will inspire you, motivate you, support you, and challenge you to grow. Avoid negative and toxic people who will drag you down, discourage you, criticize you, and sabotage your success. 4. Develop a habit of saving and investing. The key to building wealth is not how much you earn, but how much you keep. You need to pay yourself first by saving at least 10% of your income every month and investing it wisely. Learn about different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., and choose the ones that suit your risk tolerance and time horizon. Compound interest is your best friend when it comes to growing your money. 5. Take action and add value. The final step to getting rich is taking action on your goals and adding value to the world. You can't just sit around and wait for money to fall from the sky. You need to create value by solving problems, meeting needs, or fulfilling desires for others. The more value you create, the more money you will make. These are some of the steps you can take to develop a millionaire mindset and get rich. Remember, it's not about luck or fate or genetics. It's about your attitude and your actions. You have the power to change your life if you are willing to work hard, learn new things, and never give up on your dreams. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on success and wealth.